What's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Car vlog ba ito? Hindi, kasi meron tayong pupuntahan ngayon na importanteng bagay. So, meron kaming appointment at babalik kami sa daycare ni Zion. So, bakit kaya? So, kung gusto nyong malaman at sumama sa aming lakad today, please keep on watching! Kakasundo lang sa akin ni Alwin from work and on the way tayo sa daycare ni Zion. So malalaman nyo kung nasa daycare ba si Zion or wala. Basta meron tayong importanteng gagawin. Ayan, samahan nyo kami guys. Napaka-sunny ng weather ngayon na. Alam nyo guys, nagkakaloko-loko na dito ang summer. At hindi kami makagala kada weekend. Kada weekend na lang. May ulan, may thunderstorm. Pero buti na lang yung last time na nagpunta kami ng Heritage Park ay maaraw. Pero may mga paunti-unting ulan. Kaya habang naglalakad kami ni Mami, sumisilong-silong din kami pag may ulan, ambon, or may thunderstorm. Yan. Pero ngayong weekend ay, ayan na nga po, ang iniintay ng maraming tao dito. Yan, biggest outdoor show on earth. Wow. Ito yung Calgary Stampede. So kayo ba guys, yan mga nanonood dito, pupunta ba kayo ngayon sa Stampede? Ayan o, kasi dinadayo din talaga to ng maraming turista. Nagbubuk talaga dito ng mga hotel kahit sobrang mamahal. Ito yung peak season kasi eh. Ito yung like 2 weeks diba na open. I think 10 days to be exact yung Stampede. So, yan yung may mga matataas na ang cost ng hotel and everything kasi nag-aagawan na ang lahat sa pagbubuk ng accommodation. Ayan. So, kita-kits tayo guys. Yan, hopefully sa Sunday na kami ay pupunta ay hindi umulan. Ayan. So, may nagsabi nga, punta daw nga kami ni Mami kasi sa Stampede Sunday ay may free breakfast.
Pupunta tayo, diba?
Pupunta kami guys, finally kasama na si Alvin sa ating lakad. So, ang masasabi ko lang ay kita-kits nga. And syempre, free breakfast is ito. So, kung napanood nyo yung mga past vlogs namin, every year, pumupunta kami kung kailan yung family day. Yan, kasi syempre, why not naman, 'di ba? Kung may free na araw, doon ka pumunta. So, may oras nga lang na dapat nakapunta ka sa Stampede, which is nasa 8 to 11 a.m. Pero 10 a.m. kasi pwedeng maubusan ka na ng free food. Yun yung mga pancake, may sausage pa, and then drinks. So, dapat agahan nyo rin pumila, mag-park, yan, para maging maganda rin ang experience nyo sa Stampede. Kasi last time, naubusan pa tayo or muntik na maubusan. So, yan, muntik lang. Yan, pero malapit na silang magligpit nun. So, buti na lang nakahabol kami. So yan guys, kita-kita tayo sa Sunday. Yan, sa family day sa Calgary Stampede. Alright. So yan guys, no, malapit na tayo sa daycare ni Zion. So nakikita niyo yung building na yan. Ayan yun. Ito kasi yung daycare na inistartan pa namin nung nasa kabilang bahay pa kami. Yan, dito sa Ogden. And tinuloy-tuloy na lang namin kahit nakalipat na kami ng bahay. And yun, kung napanood nyo yung vlog namin last time ay, ayun, tinerminate na namin yung service ni Zion. Yan, kasi ngayon din ay bakasyon. Alam nyo naman, nandito naman ang kanyang lola. So, para hindi naman din mainip ang lola na walang gagawin, walang kasama sa bahay, 'di ba? So, yan, dayuhin muna natin ang director ng Thornhill Child Care dito sa Ogden.
Ang maganda rito guys sa daycare ni Zion kasi yung katapat niyan ay playground na. Kaya minsan pagka may parang break time nila. Diyan sila minsan nagpe-playground. Yan. Especially ganitong panahon, summer. Yan. So ito yun guys, no? Ito yung building na yan. So ayan, no? Thornhill Child Care. Yan. So pasok muna tayo kasi meron pa naman tayong susi dito. Yan. So pagpasok nyo guys, dito lang kayo pupunta sa baba.
Sa baba yung mga rooms for daycare, and then sa rooftop yung playground nila.
Tsaka yung sabi ko nga sa labas din, yung playground din sila sa akin dyan. Yan. So pasok muna tayo. Yan. So pagpasok nyo guys, ito syempre may dalawang pinto yan eh. Ay, sa ating Ayan. Thornhill. Ito dito yung room ni Zion eh. Room 3, room 4?
Room 4.
Room 4, yeah. Room 4 si Zion.
Wow.
Ayan guys, so nandito na tayo sa daycare ni Zion. So, dino-double check lang nung pinaka-head dito. And then, papakita ko sa inyo guys, every room, merong infant room, classroom 2, 3, and preschool.
We can start in
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, pasok tayo dito. And unang-unang pakita ko sa inyo guys yung infant room. Yan. Right?
perfect.
So para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea
So, ito yung
kung
cubbies, guys.
yeah.
And then, ito yung mga beds nila if they want to take a nap or gusto nilang gumulong-gulong
Yeah.
wherever. And they have desk here. Dito sila kumakain. Yung mga, mga 1 to 2 years old na kayang umupo and to eat and play. And some more activity or play things here. Oh, that's nice, no? So,
Yeah.
what age group again is this for?
This is for 12 months to 19 months.
12 months to 19 months.
Okay.
Right? So, yeah, this is where. And this location is open. Currently accepting kids from 12 months up to 6 years old. Okay?
Alright.
So, this is daycare classroom 2. Of course, meant for 18 months above to 2 years old.
3 years.
3 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, we can also show them the washroom kasi ito yung age din na they are learning to
Yeah,
potty
tuturuan
train.
sila, yeah.
So, yeah, tingnan nyo, ako cute ng nila, toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And dito rin natuto si Zion.
Si Zion,
Alam mo
yeah.
yun, independent na
Nice.
siya. Kasi alam niyo, pag Canada talaga, more on tissue, di ba? Kapag mag-poop or pee. So, that's it. So, they can learn things from here. And there's a lot of toys, activity, and sensory things. Ayan, nakikita ko rin si Zion kasi may mga updates sa daycare app namin. Yeah, kung ano yung mga things na ginagawa nila, ano yung mga activities na piniplay nila. So, there's a lot of toys here.
Yeah.
And then, meron pa rin
Fancy.
dito, syempre, mga mattresses. And this is the diaper changing area. So,
Oh.
kung, syempre, given na 19 months and then up to 3 years old, may mga kids pa rin talaga na hindi pa potty trained. So, they
So,
really
yun
maintain
talaga.
yung mga hygiene and cleanliness dito, no, sa kanilang area. So, this is for 19 months up to 3 years old.
Oh, 3 years old. Nice. Ganda ng mga toys nila dito.
So, walking through here, meron kayong makikitang mga activity board and observation. So, mga ninonoto na mga educators, kung ano yung interests and what your kid did for this day. Yan, nakakatuwa kasi you can learn from it whenever the parents will pick up the kids, so they will discover something about their kids, what they did, and when they had fun. And then meron ding parents board for any announcements, ano yung mga gagawin, like activities or playground schedule and sort of like that.
Guys, so ito naman yung room 3.
So let's go to room 3.
Yes,
So
room
dito
3.
yung room na inabot ni Zion kasi room 3 or 3
Yeah,
years old
3
siya noon
dito.
bago siya nag-transfer to 4 years old. So same lang din, di ba? May mga cubbies sila, may mga toys, mga sensory activities. You can see here may mga shells pa and then stones that they can play. Minsan si Zion, umuuwing iba na yung suot. So, minsan kasi nagkaka-water activity sila, nababasa yung shirt niya and pants. So, that's how they do the activity. Syempre, kapag if bata, maglalaro mababasa din siya.
Yeah.
So, same here. Cute na ano nila, no?
Laki ng
Sink.
place nila, oh.
No sink nila. It's
Oh,
for
cute.
toddlers.
Yeah.
And then, dito, nagda-nap time pa rin kasi
Yeah,
sila
every time
Zion
kasi
during
na
that
dinadrop
time.
ko si Zion, minsan, pag yung antok na antok siya, so pinapahiga muna siya at pinapatulog.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then they have the sink where they prepare also the food and then wash anything. And then more play and activity area. So, nagkakaroon pala sila every Wednesday ng pajama day.
Yep.
So, Zion wears pajama and then he's also being asked to bring any like storybook to share with their friends kasi meron silang session to share kung ano yung mga stories na yan dinala nila. So, yun yung fun activity. Hindi sila magpo-bored. They're learning through playing then. So, and any games. And then, every Friday, they do that show and tell.
Show and tell,
So, they bring toys every Friday to show to the other kids and tell something about it. And from there, nabibuild yung social skills nila, yung ability to interact, and of course, they will know how to describe those stuff and things that they share to the other kids.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yan, so pagdating ng hapon, dito ko na sinusundo si Zion sa room 3 na to. Yan, so ito na yung room 4. Yan, kung saan lalabas muna tayo. Dito kasi yung way ng room 4 eh. Kasi doon bawal kasi staff room yun eh. So dito ko every time na morning dito ko ilalagay yung gamit ni Zion. Alright. Actually, may gamit pa si Zion dito at kukunin natin. Ayan. So, ito medyo mas malawak itong area na to. Kasi mga big, ano na to eh. Yeah.
4 years old to 6 years old.
Yeah.
And so, this is currently the room ni Zion where he plays, where he naps and everything. And yeah, dito sila kumakain. And by the way, yung monthly fee pala sa daycare is currently $326 because that's Alberta imposed or mandated amount. And with that, yung pinakamaganda dito, that amount includes already the food. So, wala ka nang poproblemahin unless you would want your child to bring anything. Of course, must be safe, not peanut-free, and must be healthy.
Yeah.
You can ask your child to bring additional foods if you want, but in that amount, it's already covered. No, may food na silang sinaserve sa kids.
Yeah. Yan, medyo malaki siya.
So, meron ding washroom for the kids and meron ding
Of course.
higaan if they would want to take a nap. Oh, that's good. Nag-play na sila ng grocery.
Saan?
Nagkaka-cashier na.
Oh, yeah.
May itatap rin na card.
Mhm.
So, that's nice, no? So,
Yes.
cashier, grocery, and then lutuan. They will know how to play cook. Diba? Mag-serve ng food. And then, yeah, other sensory activities. And, yeah, dito rin sila sumasayaw. Like, may mga events din sila like for Father's Day, Mother's Day, they draw something like a card for the mother and the father.
Okay.
Finally, I would
Yes.
like to introduce to you Miss Kamal, the director of Thornhill Child Care, so here in Ogden. So, yeah, thank you for allowing us to tour this beautiful daycare of Zion. We really loved here, although, yeah, we are sad that Zion is leaving, but yeah, we are happy to help promote the services of the daycare. So again, what can you tell more about this daycare and about the opening of spaces for the kids?
Yes, so we are licensed daycare and we have a capacity of 88 children in this place. So our ages are from 12 months to 6 years, as you just told. And then we're a play-based program, so all of the children who are over here, they're learning through play. So I'll give you guys an example of what we kind of do. So let's say the goal for an infant is to feed themselves. So if children are learning to feed themselves, what we know, like, okay, this child really likes to play with water, so we'll put a sensory bin for them, and they'll put some spoons, some forks, and some cups in there, and we'll see like, oh, child is starting to grab those spoons and forks, and then slowly they're developing the grasp, and then you know that they're transferring those skills into their real life, and you'll see soon they're starting to like grab their spoon and they're starting to feed themselves, and that goes into like different activities throughout the day. So they're kind of like doing their artwork, they're building their gross motor skills, they're building their social skills, so lots of fun happening in here.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, as what we can see also with Zion, because every day we are being updated through this app, what Zion did and sort of like that. Can you tell them more about that stuff?
Yes. So we're using the Time Saver app. So parents do get an email by the end of the day when your child is signed out. So you'll get the reports about how they have eaten, how their day has been, how many activities they have participated in, if they have napped or not. So all the basic information that parents need to know, we make sure that we're communicating that to the parents on the daily basis.
Perfect. So yeah. So anyway, so for those who are interested in registering their kids in this daycare, so this is again located in Ogden. So how can they reach you or email you or notify you?
Any number? Contact
Yes,
number?
our phone number is 403-930-2222, and you guys can also reach out to me at ogden@thornhillchildcare.com. We also have other 6 locations, so you can check us out on Google Maps. You can find our other locations. All of our other locations are also enrolling children. So we have lots of spaces currently. We would love to have your families. Please send us an email or give us a call. We're happy to help.
Yeah, very perfect. Thank you so much, Kamal.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate you guys coming and helping us out.
Thank you. Yeah, we're happy to help, especially like this is one way to give back to all the help that you've given to Zion.
I'm grateful.
Yeah,
I'm
thank you
really
so
grateful.
much.
I appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
So yun guys, no, natapos na rin ang tour natin and quick interview kay Miss Kamal. Again ha, kapag gusto nyong i-register yung mga anak ninyo, grabe, masasabi talaga namin na nag-grow si Zion dito.
Siya okay dito.
Safe siya. And yung social skills niya talaga ay
Ang
nag-improve.
daming natutunan ni Zion dito, guys. Nagugulat na lang kami pagdating sa bahay. May mga salita na siya na ganito, ginagawa.
Yes, so very
Nakakatuwa.
grateful for Thornhill Child Care Center and sa mga lahat ng educators na bumubuo nito and pati na rin sa director again na si Miss Kamal.
Yes.
Alright guys, so dito na lang natin tatapusin ang video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. We'll see you again on the next one. Cheers!